ARRI is paving the road to a better lighting future. LED technology continues to change the professional lighting industry at an exciting pace, with an increasing variety of LED products that enable us to do things never thought possible a mere decade ago. ARRI is at the forefront of this new wave of lighting, creating innovative products that will forever change the future of lighting in television, film, and live entertainment. Our focus is on a few core concepts: tunability, color fidelity, and quality. This new building complex near Munich, Germany, contains a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. We committed to the technology by establishing infrastructure dedicated to the production of high-end LED products. The L7, our flagship LED Fresnel fixture, goes through a series of steps during manufacture in order to ensure the quality and consistency of each lamp head. The heart of the L7, its light engine, is put through an extended burn-in period to confirm that all LEDs will perform well in real-world conditions. The LED light engine then undergoes a computerized optical alignment of the collimator lens. With this alignment, all the LEDs are precisely pointed along one vector, which helps to produce a single homogeneous beam of light. This process is critical to generating the desired light quality. As a part of the assembly process, various electrical components are tested to ensure they are functioning safely and correctly. After assembly is complete, the L7 is put through a rigorous 12-part calibration process that calibrates the color and brightness of the light, resulting in a correlated color temperature that is accurate and consistent from unit to unit. This means that an L7 that you buy today will match an L7 bought a year from now, even if that L7 is produced with a different batch of LEDs. We conduct longevity tests on the L7 to ensure they continue to operate without a shift in color and brightness over time. Some of these fixtures have been kept active for over 10,000 hours and will continue to burn until they show signs of degradation. Currently, the LEDs in the L7 are rated for over 30,000 hours. We believe that the calibration and testing performed is essential to creating a high-tech workhorse product that is designed to stand the test of time. The first thing most users notice about the L7 is the intuitive controls. 3 simple knobs allow you to adjust the brightness, color, temperature, and green magenta point. The ability to tune the white light opens up many unique lighting possibilities. Different looks can be created to accommodate multiple shows. An evening show look using tungsten color temperatures can easily be changed to a morning look in a matter of minutes. With the push of a button, the lamp can be switched to color mode, making it possible to create vibrant colors and fine-tune hue and saturation. This versatility leads to fewer fixtures in your lighting rig. Changing gels also becomes a thing of the past. Simply tune the color you need without any decrease in light output, making the creation of a signature look straightforward. If working with conventional tungsten lights, other LED lights, or even fluorescents, the L7 is able to precisely match these fixtures to create a seamless white light palette. This flexibility will save you time and allow for more creative possibilities. Because LEDs are a discontinuous spectrum source, color rendition is a big concern, especially in the world of highly sensitive digital cameras. The L7 renders skin tones naturally, set pieces accurately, and costumes and clothing in the hue with which they were designed, using advanced color metameric algorithms and carefully selected LEDs. It is important to have a beam of light that resembles the qualities of a conventional tungsten Fresnel as closely as possible. You are able to shape the light from an L7 just like you would be able to do with a Fresnel light fixture. You can cut the light with barn doors and flags, focus the beam from flood to spot, and produce a single crisp shadow. the light from an L7 wraps around faces and produces a balanced field that is even in both colour and brightness. A major benefit of LED lighting is the savings in operational costs. Over a 5-year period, if 50 conventional lights were replaced by the L7, it could result in a savings of over $150,000. This includes savings in electricity, air conditioning, replacement bulbs, dimmer systems, and other costs. The lights can pay for themselves in a little over 4 years, and the replacement will lower carbon dioxide emissions by up to 280 tonnes. That's the equivalent to planting 2,600 trees. The L7 is the first in a series of lights that will help you create a more energy-efficient studio and will allow you to have the versatility needed in today's fast-paced production schedule. ARRI LED technology, lighting the way to the future.